The calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is the molecular formula of calcium carbonate is CaSCO3, and the molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100.09 is the molecular weight. The calcium carbonate, also known as precipitated chalk, they are also known as calcicarbonas. They are also known as precipitated chalk or calcicarbonates. The property of calcium carbonate is they are fine white crystalline powder. White crystalline powder. They are also odorless, tasteless. They are stable in it. Stable means they are they are do not decompose by air or moisture. So they can be they are stable. The calcium carbonate is soluble in water and alcohol. The solubility is increased by presence of carbon dioxide and ammonium salt. इसकी जो solubility है, if you increase, क्योंकि because of the calcium carbonate they are insoluble in water and alcohol. If you require to increase the solubility by presence of carbon dioxide or and ammonium salt, so they can be change the pH of the solution. They increase the solubility of the compound. How to prepare? Next one आता है topic, the how to preparation of calcium carbonate. How to prepare calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate can prepare by mixing the boiling solution of calcium chloride and sodium carbonate and then allowed to stand, resulting the formation of precipitate on subside the cooling. अगर हम इसको मिक्स कर देते हैं कैल्शियम कार्बन बॉइलिंग सॉल्यूशन ऑफ calcium chloride and sodium carbonate, and then they cool the formation of precipitate. These precipitate they are allowed to stand, so they can be precipitate subside and then filter and then separate out calcium carbonate precipitate. And these calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate, so there can be formation of calcium carbonate precipitate and sodium chloride. Another method for preparation of sodium calcium carbonate is the calcium carbonate is prepared from calcium oxide. If calcium oxide, the water is added, the formation of calcium hydroxide, and then the carbon dioxide gas is passed through the solution, the formation of precipitate of desired calcium carbonate. So there can be method utilized for preparation of calcium carbonate. फर्स्ट वन क्या होता है? द कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद वाटर, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. दीज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड treated with passing with carbon dioxide, so there can be formation of calcium carbonate and water. These are the two methods for preparation of calcium carbonate. These calcium carbonate they are stored in well-closed container at cool place. Next one topic है their chemical properties of calcium carbonate. How to react chemically the other chemical by calcium carbonate. First one is the calcium carbonate is react with dilute acid. Dilute acid means they are react with dilute sulfuric acid. So there can be calcium carbonate is formation of calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide, and water. Carbon dioxide is a byproduct. They are evolved carbon dioxide gas. And another method reaction is calcium carbonate. If react with hydrochloric acid, they also formation of calcium chloride and carbon dioxide and water. These calcium carbonate, their reaction is acid-base reaction. Therefore, they work as a antacid also. If calcium carbonate at heated 120 Kelvin degree Celsius, they are formation of carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. If 120 degree Kelvin, they are heated calcium carbonate, they are formation of carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. These are the different chemical properties of calcium chloride. They are formation of different reactions. First one is calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid. They are formation of calcium sulfate and carbon dioxide and water. Another one is calcium carbonate is react with hydrochloric acid. So there can be formation of calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Next one is uses of calcium carbonate. Different applications and uses of calcium carbonate. These calcium carbonate utilized as a dental product. Dental product means dentifrices. The polish they are utilized as a polishing agent, and they are manufacturing of dental product. They also utilize as an antacid. They also utilize in manufacturing of quicklime, and they are agriculture field for utilizing of acid. They also utilize in medicine as a calcium supplement, and they also utilize calcium carbonate as an antacid to stomach upset, heartburn, acid indigestion. They are utilized as an antacid. These are the application and uses of calcium carbonate. And other applications and uses of calcium carbonate is they are utilized, used as a pulp and paper industry. These calcium carbonate can also be used as a additives and food product for the livestock, animal, human, and they also supplement of vitamins. They also utilize in water and sewage treatment plant. The calcium carbonate is employed as removing of acidity and impurities. They also utilize as in water and sewage treatment plant. This calcium carbonate is employed as a removal of acidity and impurity. They also utilize in manufacturing of paints, papers, plastics, and other also applications. These calcium carbonate, living organism need calcium carbonate for bone and teeth formation. They also utilize for other applications. So they can be utilized and different application. Another one is zinc chloride. Zinc chloride, they also known as uh, zinc of butter. Zinc chloride also known as zinc of butter. The molecular formula of zinc zinc chloride is Zn ZnCl2, and they are also synonym of zinc chloride. They are also synonym of zinc chloride. zinc, butter of zinc. The property of zinc chloride is they are white color powder, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water and glycerin. They also aqueous solution in acidic in nature. अगर if you prepare aqueous solution, water में अगर dissolve कर लेते हैं, they are nature acidic nature. They are also very deliquescent. Deliquescent means they are absorb the moisture and carbon dioxide and they are decomposed. So they can be stored in airtight container. So they can be not be decomposed in air and carbon dioxide. And they are prepared zinc chloride by zinc heating the metallic zinc with concentrated hydrochloric acid, the formation of evolution of hydrogen gas completely, and the formation of zinc chloride. These zinc and hydrochloric acid they are react the with their formation of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, they are evaluated of and they are collected of zinc chloride. Different applications and uses of zinc chloride is first one is dental product. They also utilize in desensitizing agent. They also utilize as an astringent. Astringent means they are pres, precipitate the protein. If any cut, yeah, they are used as a astringent. They also utilize in mild antiseptics and they are utilized as a manufacturing of dental product. They also use in manufacturing of fireproof brood, wood, fireproof brood. They also use desensitizing agent. Desensitizing agent means they are if our teeth is sensitized by heat and cold, so they can be used desensitizing agent in toothpaste, tooth powder. The very important next drug है very important जिंक यूजिनॉल सीमेंट. Very very important है जिंक यूजिनॉल सीमेंट. They also known as zinc oxide, eugenol, cement, IRM. They are low strength ways used as a temporary cement filling in the event the patient with return at a later date and semi-permanent restoration. These powder, zinc oxide and liquid in eugenol with olive oil as a plasticizer. These product more important utilized in dental product. These zinc oxide, eugenol, cement, they are they are different types. They are classified zinc oxide, eugenol, cement is four types. These are zinc oxide, eugenol, cement is four types. First one type is temporary cementing. The second type is permanent cementing. And third type, temporary filling. This is known as thermal insulation. And fourth type, calcium oxide, eugenol cement is cavity linear liners. These cement oxide, there are four type. First one is temporary cementing, permanent cementing, and temporary filling and thermal insulation. And four type cavity lining. These zinc oxide eugenol cement, they are available in two form, the powder form and toothpaste system. powder form, yeah, these powder form, yeah, liquid form, yeah, these formulations of zinc oxide usinol is they are contained in powder form zinc oxide in 69%. They are these are the principal ingredient. They also contain white rosin 29.35%. They are reduce the brittleness of set cement, and they are contain zinc stearate 1%. They are work as a plasticizer. They also contain zinc acetate 0.7%. They act with usinol with similar manner as zinc oxide. And they are contain two liquids. One is usinol 85%. They also react with zinc oxide. Another one is olive oil. Olive oil 15%. They are work as a plasticizer. These ingredients they found in usinol, zinc oxide, usinol, cement. They are the major that they are found in powder and liquid form. The setting of reaction, how to react, कैसे ये work करता है. First step is hydrolysis of zinc oxide to its hydroxide takes place. The water is essential for reaction. These hydrated zinc oxide, okay, which will not be react with hydrated usinol. They directly zinc oxide not react with directly usinol. Their first one is zinc oxide is react with water, so there can be formation of zinc hydroxide. These zinc hydroxide react with usinol. They are formation of zinc usinolate. So these formulation, they are formation of chelates. They are formation of complex. They are utilized in the amorphous gels and crystalline for strengthening of set of mass. If their work as a structure of cement, the set cement they consist of particle of zinc oxide embedded in matrix of zinc usilate. Their time required for setting of these material in teeth is 4 to 10 minutes. 4 to 10 मिनट्स आप ये 4 से 10 मिनट के अंदर ये सेट हो जाता है. तो डायरेक्टली जो जिंक ऑक्साइड होता है दे आर नॉट रिएक्ट डायरेक्टली विद यूजिनोल. फर्स्ट वन क्या होता है, दे आर जिंक ऑक्साइड, दे आर रिएक्ट विद वाटर, दे आर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड. These zinc hydroxide react with usinol. They are formation of zinc usinolate. These usinolate they are utilized as a cement. They are formation of set the cement consists of particle of zinc oxide embedded in matrix of zinc usinolate. They require sitting of time is 4 to 10 minutes. Within 4 to 10 minutes they are set हो जाता है. So they can be utilized and different factors affecting the setting of time. ये टाइम ये जो टाइम है वो डिपेंड करता है डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स आपके जो यूटिलाइज किए द पार्टिकल्स आए. अगर इफ यू यूज द स्मॉलर जिंक ऑक्साइड पार्टिकल सेट फास्ट है. अगर पार्टिकल छोटे पार्टिकल हैं तो पार्टिकल छोटे हैं तो टाइम कम लगेगा, जल्दी फास्ट सिटिंग हो जाएगी. एंड पाउडर टू लिक्विड रेशियो हायर रेशियो होगा तो दे आर सेटिंग जो है फास्ट हो जाएगी. एडिशन ऑफ एसिलरेटर, अगर हम उसमें कुछ एसिलरेटर डाल देते हैं जैसे अल्कोहल या ग्लस एसिटिक एसिड या वाटर, तो ये क्या करता है द सीमेंट फास्ट सेटिंग हो जाती है. या कूलिंग द ग्लास स्लैब्स, अगर हम उसको ठंडा ज्यादा करेंगे तो देयर रिएक्शन जो होगी वो स्लो होगी, दे आर स्लो द रिएक्शन. The set can be retarded by the addition of glycol and glycerin which act as a retarder. अगर आपको इसकी रिएक्शन को सेट को स्लो करना है तो आप उसमें एडिशन कर दीजिए, क्या, या तो ग्लिसरॉल ऐड कर दीजिए या ग्लिसरीन ऐड कर दीजिए. सो इससे क्या है, उसकी जो सेटिंग है, सेट जो टाइम लग रहा है वो बढ़ जाएगा. उसको सेटिंग को स्लो करने के लिए हम ग्लाइकोल या ग्लिसरीन यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, या उसको ठंडा कर दें तो उसकी जो रिएक्शन है वो स्लो हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट वन आता है मैनिपुलेशन. मैनिपुलेशन अ पाउडर लिक्विड सिस्टम, इसमें जो रेशियो होता है पाउडर का होता है 4.1 एंड 6.1 weight percent. आफ्टर सेकिंग द बोतल, जो बोतल है आपने अच्छी तरह सेक ली, जो क्वांटिटी ऑफ पाउडर है लिक्विड है डिस्पर्स हो जाए कूल ग्लास स्लैब पर, द बल्क ऑफ पाउडर इज इनकॉर्पोरेट कर देते किसमें, लिक्विड में, जो सैचुरेट हो जाता है सर्कुलर मोशन में विद स्टिफ ब्लेड स्टेनलेस स्टील स्पैचुला पर, एंड देन स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट आर देन एडेड स्टिल मिक्स कंप्लीटली. उसको प्रॉपरली जब हम यूटिलाइज करते हैं, प्रॉपरली पाउडर लिक्विड को प्रॉपरली मिक्स हो जाए जब हम इसको यूटिलाइज करें, क्योंकि अगर प्रॉपर मिक्सिंग नहीं हुआ तो जब हम स्पैचुला पे लेंगे दे आर नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. सो दे कैन बी मिक्सिंग प्रॉपरली होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन बताया था हमने पाउडर के बाद टू पेस्ट सिस्टम. टू पेस्ट सिस्टम, द इक्वल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ईच पेस्ट आर डिस्पर्स एंड मिक्स्ड until a uniform color is obtained. अगर हम उसको दोनों जो पेस्ट हैं उनको प्रॉपरली मिक्स करेंगे तो ऑब्जर्व जो कलर होगा यूनिफॉर्म होना चाहिए. इसको मॉडिफिकेशन करते हैं, मॉडिफाइड, इसको हम मॉडिफाइड जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनोल सीमेंट के नाम से जानते हैं. इसके अंदर क्या होता है, एल्मुना मॉडिफाइड सीमेंट एंड पॉलीमर रेनफोर्स जिंक ऑक्साइड सीमेंट होता है. These introduce improve the जो मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिनको यूजिनोल की है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाती है. अगर हम टू पेस्ट सिस्टम यूटिलाइज करते हैं तो दे आर, इफ यू इंक्रीज द, ये मॉडिफाइड जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनोल सीमेंट होता है, उसकी जो मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ होती है, प्रॉपर्टी होती है, उसको इंप्रूव करने के लिए दे आर यूटिलाइज टू पेस्ट सिस्टम करते हैं. दो पेस्ट कौन कौन से होते हैं, एक होता है एल्मुना मॉडिफाइड सीमेंट एंड पॉलीमर रीइंफोर्समेंट जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनोल सीमेंट. दीज आर टू पेस्ट सिस्टम कहलाते हैं. इनको हम यूटिलाइज करते हैं. दे आर द टू पेस्ट सिस्टम. अनदर वन इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनोल सीमेंट. These are the property compressive strength, tensile strength, modular elasticity, thermal property. Thermal property बहुत excellent होनी चाहिए. Their thermal insulator properties are excellent, and solubility and disintegration. The solubility of said cement highest, and cement degradation, oral fluids, and adhesion, they are not adhere well to the enamel and dentin. They one reason why they are not often used final cementing of crown and bridges. The biological property, the pH and effect of pulp. pH जो होता है इसका 6.6 to 8 होता है, they are least होता है. They are produce soothing effect on pulp. Soothing effect means they are cooling sensation, produce cooling effect, cooling sensation. These are the property of zinc oxide eugenol. क्योंकि they are contain eugenol produce cooling effect, soothing effect. And next one है application and uses of zinc oxide cement. These are the use as a protective, sedative in lining deep carrier cavities, temporary filling, temporary cementing, pulp capping, root canal filling, and surgical packing, and secondary root canal restoring. Surgical packing, root canal filling, pulp capping, these are the